King. Pag-asa. And the race is on. Yellow Goose Cup from the outside, Tempress. And moving up by the rallies, Tony P. Down on the inside, boys will be boys. Rushing up is Lady King. On the further outside is Pag-asa. Oh, so discreet. On the further outside is Princepe Alec Lim, Grand Story. And 3 number 4, Influential. Boys will be boys. And passing the half-mile post, Yellow Goose Ka, followed by Lady King on the outside, and rushing up is Tony P. And ring the far turn, Yellow Goose Ka, Tony P. Pag-asa is racing in third by Sound to Lines, Tempress by the rallies Lady King. And on the outside, oh, so discreet by the rallies Princepe Alec Lim, Grand Story. Boys will be boys, and Influential as they race the final corner. Tony P. from the outside, Yellow Goose Ka down on the inside is Pag-asa, and Lady King, Tempress. Tony P. by the rallies, Yellow Goose Ka. Tony P. by Sam Tulangs now, Yellow Goose Ka. And finally, number 5, Tony P. Yellow Goose Ka. Pag-asa, Tempress. Number 8, Lady King. And oh, so discreet